So following on from the last video, now we've got space to unbox something new. So let's get to unboxing something new. So what happened the other day, I was on the phone, I needed to drop down some notes, some numbers, do a little sketch of something, and that's a bit difficult on your computer unless you have a tablet. Unless you have a tablet with a pen incorporated, this gets a little bit complicated. The good old-fashioned way with a pencil and paper, that was the best. But this is 2021, we're trying to move with the times, and I got to researching and I was looking for a smart notebook. And this is what I came up with. Hear me out, quite interesting. So let's start by moving my keyboard out of the way now that I can. Woo! So we're gonna put our mouse pad here, and I'm gonna take my beautiful keyboard and move it out the way now. This is what we got. RocketBook, endlessly reusable intelligent notebook. Now this comes in quite a package. So you see, this is the RocketBook, the endlessly reusable intelligent notebook. Send handwritten notes to your favorite cloud services. Wipe pages with water to erase and you reuse. So that was a thing. We're gonna try and be a little bit environment conscious. We're not gonna waste paper. And this, I think, is going to be a real nice compromise. So what you do, you download the app and start your journey. So I guess you download the app to your phone, because what happens is that with your phone, you can take little screenshots of your notes, and it's going to save them to your cloud services, to Google Drive or Evernote, Dropbox. You can send them by email to your iCloud, to OneDrive, to pretty much everything, all right? Right here. Here it says there's your friction pen inside here, and touching that, there's a pen. So apparently these are pretty easy to find pens. So there's not a dedicated pen for this notebook, so that's already a good thing. Now let me tell you how much I paid for this thing. This thing, I bought it on Amazon in Europe, and it cost about 35 euros, let's call that. That comes out to about $42 US. So let's cut to the chase, no time wasting. Let's get into this beautiful RocketBook. Okay. So let's start with tearing here. Let's tear this guy. Okay. And this is our beautiful friction pen. So it's from Pilot. It's from Pilot. I've seen these online, and you can buy these on Amazon, and they're not that expensive. I think you pay like, what, 9 euros for 4 of them or something like that. And it does say erasable, okay? So that's the thing. You can erase whatever you write down. Tip is pretty much a regular tip, nothing special there. And these are the Pilot frictions, okay? So we've got our Pilot friction pen right there. Let's get into this guy here. So is there any way of opening this? Oh yeah, right up here. Now, while we're unboxing this, I'm going to remind you, go and subscribe to the channel. I'm sure that whoever subscribed has already gotten at least, 5 minutes of good luck since the last video. So take advantage of this. And there we go. We have the RocketBook. What else do we have in here? And we have this nice rag for cleaning, and that's pretty much it. So, very regular book. Very nice. This is what you got. Little bit of paperwork. Tells you how to write. Well, I guess we know how to write. I hope. So write with your Pilot friction pen included. Only use Pilot friction pens and markers. So it says here, to prevent smudging, allow 15 seconds for ink to bond to the page. Blah, 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 blah. You have to download the app. I haven't done any of that. Set your destination, scan and send. Tips, handwriting recognition, OCR. Don't even know what that is. Remember, I'm not very technical. I just tell you exactly how things are. Is it cool? Is it not? Is it whatever? Dampen part of the... so this is how you reuse it, okay? So you have to dampen part of the included microfiber towel with water and wipe the page. That's it. Make sure the page is dry before writing on it again. For easier erasing, use a fine mist spray bottle. Wow. Keep your core clean. It's best to keep the core pages wiped clean when you don't plan to use it for a month or longer. This ensures that the pen ink doesn't leave a residue. So, okay. So touching it, it's very, very smooth. So touching is very, very smooth. Okay, so how many pages do we got? It's quite a few pages. Quite a few pages. Quite a few pages. Back and front. Okay. So let's get that out of the way. So let's see. Let's write something. Oh, it does glide quite well, huh? Welcome to the best YouTube channel in the entire world. Question mark? So that's what happens. It writes quite nicely. So you can do like little drawings, you know, you can do little drawings. Okay, very nice. The pen glides real nice as well. So if you're a bit of a drawer and you like to sketch, this works quite nice. So I would use it for like little sections, because I work in like this engineering environment where I do, like I said in my previous video, I do 3D modeling. So a lot of times what we do is we get engineering inputs. So when you're on the phone and the guy's like, I need a little step here like that, and it's about 1 millimeter, and then we have to go here and we overflush that and blah blah blah, all this kind of stuff. You know, I'm not going to get into details, but that's quite good, because it's much easier to do that than sit there on your computer or on your phone or on your tablet and things like that. So really good, real nice. And we're gonna write here, your dog rules. Okay. So that was cool. Now, unfortunately, I only have one phone, so I can't really. But we have this camera here. So let's try and take a picture and see what happens with that. I'm going to download the app to this, and we're going to see what happens. How's that? Huh? So I'm here. So when we launched our application, so it tells us, take notes in your notebook. It says, take notes in your Rocket notebook or whiteboard or with beacons. And, well, we got that. So let's go to the next guy. Send. Scan and instantly blast your notes to your favorite cloud destinations. We're going to try that. And then we're going to reuse them. Oh, we had a little rocket ship. Let's do a little star. Woo. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, done. So I've saved everything to my email. I know you guys want it, but sorry, I can't have it. So look at this empty space. Get all your notes. All your notes will live here. Get started and make a scan now. So I guess I tap this button here. We're gonna allow this while we're using it. Position the page. So let's get here. We're gonna get to there. Position the page. Oh, you see it's scanning it? It's scanning, processing, and you see it dropped it in here. So it took a scan. You just hold it up, it makes a little green border around it, and it saves it. So this is, hey, look at it looks the same. And then I guess you share that, and these are all the things you can share it with. So I'm going to email it to myself now. Let's have a look-see. So we've scanned our picture, our document, and we've sent it to whoever it is that we need to send it. I've emailed it to myself, and here it is, downloaded on our desktop. Let's have a look at this beautiful screen. So as you can see, it comes out as in a JPEG format right here, and that's exactly what we had on our notepad. Now let's zoom in. So now let's zoom in to see the quality. And as you can see, the quality is not bad. Not bad. Really not bad. And remember, what was it? And remember, Geodog rules. So I did get my little towel and I did moisten it, as you can tell. Now let's have a look how easy it is to clean. To clean this guy. Goddamn dust. So, hey, look at that. No effort whatsoever, and it comes off. Clean it up. Bye, minion guy. Can you wash microfiber cloths? I have no idea. I told you, useless. I have no idea about anything. God, what are those things? But it does clean it really, really well. It's like having a little blackboard or a whiteboard. Now, once that's done, let's take a little bit of the dry stuff. Good as new. Have to let it dry a second, but sweet. Look at that. And there's all these little things underneath here. I'm looking at these, so I guess these have to be set up somehow or somewhere. But RocketBook with your pilot friction pen. If you're looking for a nice little smart notebook and you're not really into wasting paper because you kind of care a little bit about the environment, then this is really the way to go. There's a lot of other ones. There's one by Moleskine, but you have to have this special pen which transfers whatever you do right onto your computer or to your phone or to what. That's a little bit expensive. This is doable. 35 euros, about 42 US dollars. You got a ton of pages. You can write as much as you want in here. Look at that. There's quite a few pages here. Very easy to use, very easy to carry. It'll fit anywhere. It's not. There's different little accessories. I saw there's a little pen holder that you can buy and insert it here, and you'll have your little pen here. Ooh, let's not hide the. There's a little pen holder that you can just slide here, and it'll hold your pen here together. But overall, fantastic. Really happy with this. I'm looking forward to using this in my work routine every day. It's kind of nice to go backwards to something that works so well, but maintaining it is still a little bit more techy, you know? Great. Loved it. So remember, there's one thing you all have to do, and that is subscribe. God, I got horrible handwriting. Have a nice day. Ciao, ciao.